From self-driving cars to predicting the weather, artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. But what about creativity? Can machines be creative? We used to think that art, music, and literature were uniquely human. Only humans could express emotions, tell stories, and create beauty. Now AI is challenging that idea. Hello, this is Andy again from AI World. AI is now used to generate paintings, compose symphonies, and even write poems. We're seeing AI-generated art displayed in galleries, AI-composed music topping the charts, and AI-written stories published in literary magazines. This new wave of AI creativity is sparking debate and raising questions about the very nature of art itself. Is this the dawn of a new artistic era? Are we witnessing the birth of a new kind of artist, one powered by algorithms and data? Or are we simply teaching machines to mimic human creativity without truly understanding its essence? Join me as we delve into the world of AI and creativity, exploring its possibilities, controversies, and its potential impact on the future of art. Imagine an artist who never sleeps, never gets tired, and can produce countless works of art in the blink of an eye. That's the promise of AI. AI art generators are fed massive datasets of images, music, or text. They learn the patterns, styles, and rules of different art forms, and then use that knowledge to create new works. Want a portrait in the style of Van Gogh? AI can do that. Need a catchy tune for a pop song? AI can help. Looking for a spooky story with a surprise ending? AI can write it. This ease of creation and customization is opening up new possibilities for both artists and art enthusiasts, but it also raises questions about the role of the human artist. If a machine can create art that is indistinguishable from human-created art, what does that mean for human creativity? This brings us to the heart of the debate. Can AI truly be creative, or is it simply mimicking human creativity? Some argue that true creativity requires consciousness, emotions, and life experiences that machines simply don't possess. They believe that AI-generated art lacks the soul, the depth, and the human touch that makes art truly meaningful. Others argue that creativity is simply a process of combining existing ideas in new and interesting ways. They see AI as a powerful tool that can augment and enhance human creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They point to examples of AI collaborating with human artists to create truly innovative and groundbreaking works. The debate over AI and creativity is not just philosophical. It has real-world implications for issues like copyright, intellectual property, and the value of art. If an AI creates a piece of art, who owns the copyright? The creator of the AI, the user who provided the input, the AI itself. These are complex questions with no easy answers. The evolution of AI art tools marks a significant milestone in the realm of creativity. In the early days, AI was primarily focused on tasks like data analysis and automation. It wasn't until researchers began experimenting with neural networks that AI's potential for generating art became apparent. One of the earliest successes in AI art was achieved through a process called style transfer. This technique involves taking the style of one image and applying it to another, resulting in a composite that blends elements of both. For instance, you could take a photograph of a cityscape and transform it into something that looks like a Van Gogh painting. This process laid the groundwork for more sophisticated AI art tools that would follow. As AI art tools evolved, they began to move beyond mere imitation, generating entirely new artworks from scratch using deep learning and generative models. One of the most well-known early examples of AI-generated art is Google's DeepDream. Launched in 2015, DeepDream uses a convolutional neural network to find and enhance patterns in images, often resulting in surreal, dreamlike visuals. The process works by iteratively modifying an image to emphasize certain features, leading to the creation of intricate and often bizarre patterns. DeepDream quickly gained popularity for its psychedelic and otherworldly results. Artists and technologists alike were fascinated by the unexpected beauty that emerged from the algorithm's processing. The success of DeepDream demonstrated that AI could do more than just mimic human creativity. It could generate entirely new forms of artistic expression. While DeepDream made a significant impact, the development of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, took AI art to a whole new level. Introduced by Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues in 2014, GANs consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, that work together to create realistic images. The generator creates images from random noise, while the discriminator evaluates them against real images, providing feedback to improve the generator's output. GANs have been used to produce some of the most impressive and realistic AI-generated artworks to date. From photorealistic portraits to abstract compositions, GANs have demonstrated an incredible ability to create images that closely resemble those made by human artists. This has opened up new possibilities for creative expression and has attracted the attention of both artists and collectors. Despite their success, GANs have also faced criticism. Some argue that the images produced by GANs lack the intentionality and context that come from human experience. From the rhythmic beating of drums to the soaring melodies of a violin, music has a unique ability to move us. But can an algorithm understand the language of music? Can it capture the essence of human emotion and translate it into sound? That's the challenge facing AI music generators. These sophisticated programs are trained on massive data sets of musical compositions, learning the intricacies of melody, harmony, rhythm, and structure. They can analyze thousands of songs, identifying patterns and relationships that would be impossible for a human to process. Armed with this knowledge, AI can then generate new musical pieces in a variety of styles, from classical symphonies to catchy pop songs. What was once considered the exclusive domain of human composers is now a field being explored by algorithms, pushing the boundaries of musical creativity. Let's meet some of these AI maestros. One prominent example is OpenAI's MuseNet, a deep learning model that can generate musical compositions with 10 different instruments in up to 15 different styles. MuseNet can create everything from classical pieces inspired by Bach or Beethoven to jazz improvisations and even video game soundtracks. Another impressive AI composer is Aiva, which has gained recognition for its ability to compose emotional and evocative soundtracks for films, video games, and commercials. These AI composers are not just mimicking existing music. They can combine different styles, experiment with unusual harmonies, and even invent new instruments and sounds. This type of human-AI collaboration has the potential to revolutionize the music industry, leading to the creation of entirely new genres and soundscapes. The impact of AI on music is already being felt. In 2016, the AI program Amper composed and produced the song Not Easy by pop artist Taryn Southern, which climbed the electronic music charts. This marked a significant moment for AI music, demonstrating its commercial viability and its ability to create music that resonates with a wide audience. But AI isn't just composing pop songs. In 2019, the London Symphony Orchestra performed Symphonic AI, a piece co-created by human composer David Bruce and an AI system developed by Huawei. These examples highlight the diverse ways in which AI is changing the landscape of music. From assisting composers in their creative process to generating entire musical pieces, AI is becoming an increasingly integral part of the music industry. But the rise of AI music also raises questions about the role of the human musician. Will AI eventually replace human composers and performers? Or will it primarily serve as a tool to augment and enhance human creativity? For centuries, we've been captivated by the power of the written word. Stories transport us to other worlds, introduce us to fascinating characters, and teach us about ourselves and the human condition. But what if the storyteller wasn't human at all? What if the next best-selling novel, the next Pulitzer Prize-winning poem, was written by a machine? The idea of AI writing literature might seem like science fiction, but it's rapidly becoming reality. AI writing programs, powered by complex algorithms and vast databases of text, are now capable of generating surprisingly coherent and even creative pieces of writing. From short stories to poems, scripts to news articles, AI is proving to be a versatile wordsmith. One of the most impressive AI writing programs to date is GPT-3, developed by OpenAI. GPT-3 is a powerful language model trained on a massive dataset of text and code. It can generate remarkably human-like text, write different kinds of creative content, and even answer your questions in an informative way. GPT-3 has been used to write everything from poems in the style of Shakespeare to screenplays that could rival Hollywood productions. While GPT-3 and other AI writing programs are still under development, they've already demonstrated their potential to disrupt the literary world. Imagine a future where publishers could use AI to generate personalized novels tailored to individual readers' preferences, or where aspiring authors could collaborate with AI partners to overcome writer's block and generate fresh ideas. The relationship between AI and human authors is complex and evolving. Some writers see AI as a threat, fearing replacement. Others view AI as a powerful new tool, a creative partner. The truth likely lies somewhere in between. AI can automate aspects of writing but won't replace the human element. Stories are about human experiences, emotions, and perspectives. Embrace AI's potential to enhance human creativity. The rise of AI in creative fields raises complex questions about ownership. When AI generates art, music, or poetry, who owns it? Is it the programmers, the users, or the AI itself? Traditional laws assume creativity is human, but AI challenges this. As AI blurs the lines, the definition of authorship is questioned. Granting AI legal personhood could revolutionize creativity and ownership. This future raises profound ethical and philosophical dilemmas. Section 2, Copyright Conundrums, Navigating Uncharted Legal Territory. The question of copyright in the age of AI is a legal minefield. Existing laws are ill-equipped to handle AI-generated works. Courts are grappling with these issues. One approach is to treat AI-generated works as works for hire. This fails to address AI's unique nature. Another option is to consider AI-generated works as public domain. This could disincentivize further development. WIPO and other bodies are exploring new legal frameworks. These frameworks will need to balance human and AI contributions. The debate over AI and copyright is far from over. The heart of creativity. Can machines truly possess it? Can machines truly be creative? Can they possess the same spark of ingenuity and depth of emotion as human artists? Some argue true creativity requires consciousness and a lifetime of experiences. Machines, they contend, can only mimic and remix existing data. Others suggest creativity is pattern recognition and problem-solving, tasks AI can perform. Perhaps the future of creativity lies in a partnership, where both human and AI contribute to art's evolution. As we've explored, the emergence of AI in the creative realm has sparked both excitement and apprehension. Some see it as the dawn of a new artistic renaissance. Others fear that AI might diminish human creativity. The truth likely lies somewhere in between. AI is not here to replace human artists. It presents a powerful new set of tools. Imagine a world where AI helps artists overcome creative blocks. Imagine musicians collaborating with AI partners. Imagine writers using AI to craft immersive narratives. This is the potential of AI to amplify human creativity. The key is to embrace and shape this innovation. The future of creativity is not about choosing sides between humans and machines. It's about recognizing the unique strengths of both and finding ways to foster collaboration, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of art. Imagine walking into a museum and seeing a breathtaking sculpture. Its intricate details a testament to the artist's vision. But what if you learned that this sculpture was the result of a collaboration between a human artist and an AI, the former providing the creative spark, the latter executing the intricate design with superhuman precision? Or picture attending a concert where a human pianist performs alongside an AI orchestra, the music seamlessly blending acoustic and digital sounds, creating an auditory experience unlike anything heard before. This is the potential of human-AI collaboration in the arts, to create works that transcend the limitations of either alone. The challenge lies in finding the right balance, ensuring that AI remains a tool for human expression rather than a replacement for it. It's about using AI to enhance our creative abilities, to explore new artistic territories, and to make the arts more inclusive and accessible to all. In the midst of all this technological advancement, it's important to remember one crucial truth. The human spirit, with its boundless capacity for imagination, emotion, and creativity, will always remain irreplaceable. No algorithm, no matter how sophisticated, can replicate the depth of human experience, the nuances of feeling, the complexities of thought that infuse art with its enduring power. It's this human element, this ability to connect with one another on a deep emotional level through art, that will always set us apart. AI can mimic, it can generate, it can even at times surprise us with its ingenuity. But it can never truly replace the human heart that beats at the core of every great work of art. So as we venture further into this uncharted territory of AI and creativity, let us proceed with both excitement and vigilance. Let us embrace the possibilities while safeguarding the essence of human expression. Let us use these powerful new tools to amplify our voices, to share our stories, and to create art that inspires, challenges, and connects us in ways only humans can. As we've journeyed through AI and creativity, we've encountered mind-boggling possibilities and profound questions. From AI-generated paintings to symphonies composed by algorithms, the creative potential is undeniable. But so too are the ethical and philosophical dilemmas they pose. What does it mean for a machine to be creative? Who owns the copyright? Will robots replace human artists or become our collaborative partners? The future of creativity is being shaped by scientists, artists, and individuals like you. By engaging in these conversations, we can help steer AI in a direction that benefits both humanity and the arts. If you find our contents interesting, please don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to get similar updates on artificial intelligence.